Open your Chrome browser and search for Arduino IDE. Choose the first link and select your device, whether it's Windows 10 or newer versions, or Linux. Download the software, click on Install, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on Next. The installation may take 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your device's speed. After a successful installation, check the type of board you're using and the port number. You can try various example codes for practice. All the links and code are available in the description. Or DM me on Instagram for links. Check the code once. I am using a 16:2 LCD display. Choose the delay speed. You can adjust it as per your preference. Write your text on the first and second lines with proper definitions. Finally, click on Compile. While compiling, you might encounter errors such as LiquidCrystal library not found. If so, you need to install the library. I am providing the library file in the description. Download the library, go to the Sketch menu, click on Include Library, and then add your library. Once done, click on Upload. For more content, subscribe. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.